Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I'm Satakshi, your English faculty at iExamB, and in this video we'll discuss some questions of grammatically correct pair. Now these questions are new type of questions that we are now seeing in banking exams, and these questions will be beneficial for you if you're appearing for this bank PO, and clerk means either it is IBPS PO, SBI PO, IBPS clerk or SBI clerk. So for all these exams, these kind of questions are important. So we'll see some questions now, and we'll also see something that is definitely going to help you, and that is how these questions should be attempted. Okay, so let's start, friends. Before we start, I'd like to tell you about the New Year offer at iExamB. You can use this coupon code to avail discounts on various courses. I hope you'll make the best of these offers. Now let's see some questions. So friends, here we'll first have a look at the options. We won't read the statements given, and we'll read the options, and from the options we'll select the statements to read, and then we'll go on eliminating the options until we find the answer. You have to finally find the pair of statements which are grammatically correct and also carry the same meaning. So that is the aim. Okay, so we'll see the options first. Friends, here option 1 says statement 1 and 2. Let's read 1 first. It says, despite the ministry being the implementing agency, the role of the Forest Department in granting titles is crucial because the lands claimed are under its jurisdiction. Okay, so this means that the claimed land is under the jurisdiction of Forest Department, which plays a crucial role in granting titles, and the ministry is the implementing agency. Alright, now the second statement says that since the lands claimed are under the ministry's jurisdiction. So here the meaning is different now. Statement says that the lands claimed are under the ministry's jurisdiction. So both these statements don't mean the same thing. So 1 and 2 is the incorrect option. Alright. So we have read 1 and we'll see 5 now. Option E. E says the part played by the Forest Department in granting titles is important. Okay, this is what is said here also. The role is important because the lands claimed are under its authority, under the authority of Forest Department, although the ministry is the implementing agency. Now this is what exactly has been said in statement 1. Alright, so 1 and 5 are the correct answer. This is the correct pair. So E is actually the correct answer. Now, since we have got the answer, we need not have a look at rest of the statements in the exam. Okay, we can move on to another question directly. This will save us time. Okay, but here we'll check the other two statements as well, just to be sure that we have chosen the correct pair. Now the third statement says that it can be said that the ministry, even though being the implementing agency, the Forest Department grants titles and it is crucial for the lands claimed. Now here, the moment we read the statement, we know that it should be grants, not grant. So this is grammatically incorrect. So statement number 3 is wrong, and all the options containing statement number 3 will be incorrect. So this is incorrect, this is incorrect. And we know what statement 2 says. We'll read statement 4. Even after the ministry has its power as the implementing agency, the Forest Department claims lands under its authority because it grants titles. So this is wrong. Forest Department is not claiming any land. Okay, as per statement number 2, right? So 2 and 4 don't mean the same thing. So option number C is also incorrect. Now we'll move on to another question. Here we'll see the options first. Now the first option says statement 1 and 3. So we'll see statement 1 first. 1 says Indian politics has changed tremendously, but the earlier concepts related to Indian politics are acquiring popularity nowadays because of the leaders' difficulty in following ideas and concepts. Okay, and 3 says, since the past, many aspects relating to Indian politics was changed and many concepts are now here. See, the moment we read this, we know that many aspects relating to Indian politics was changed. This is grammatically incorrect. It should be were changed. So option number 1 is not right. Option number A is not right, and because statement number 3 is incorrect, right? So every option containing statement number 3 will be wrong. Okay, so Now, since we have read statement 1, we'll now read statement 5. Indian political leaders and political parties still hang on to their past attributes and beliefs, although many aspects of Indian politics have undergone changes and many earlier concepts were replaced by better ideas. Now, statement 1 we know said that earlier concepts related to Indian politics are acquiring popularity, right? But it is not said in statement number 5. So, this is not a matching pair. 1 and 5 don't match. So, we are only left with one option, that is option number D, 4 and 5. Alright, we'll move ahead. Now another set of statements, and now again we will see the options first. Okay, now 1 and 5, and 1 says recently on the economic front, India after 2014 has taken steps like relying greatly on big businesses and privatization so as to fix economies, but this has backfires. Now this is wrong, it should be this has backfired, right? So 1 is incorrect. All right, let's move ahead. Now let's move on to option B, statement 2 and 4. Now statement 2 says, in recent years on the economic front, India post 2014 seems to have got into a phase of an even greater reliance on big businesses and privatization to fix economics, and the result has been to beget even more inequality. Right, and this means that after 2014, India began depending on big businesses and privatization to fix economy, and this became the cause of more inequality. All right, and statement 4 says to fix economies, India began depending on big businesses and privatization after 2014, so much more than it has done in the past, but this has only created more inequality in the country. So this statement also means what has been said in 2. So this is the correct option, right? 2 and 4 mean the same thing. All right. Now we need not read the rest of the statements. We can move to another question, and this is how you will do in your exam as well. You should not start with reading all the statements. You'll only get confused by doing that. First read the options and then move forward accordingly. All right. Now in this question, we'll see the options again, 1 and 3. Now first statement says people of all age groups could get benefited if India creates enough services for the elderly and follow an elderly prioritized approach for some decades, because such prioritization can help the vulnerable section of the society who are more in number. All right. Now here it has been said that prioritization will help the vulnerable section of the society who are large in number. All right. Now we'll move on to statement 3. It says India should reimagine its entire healthcare policy for the next few decades with an elderly prioritized approach, because as senior citizens require the most diverse array of healthcare services. Now this has not been mentioned here. Remember, it has not been mentioned that elderly need most diverse array of healthcare services. This has not been mentioned in 1. So 1 and 3 are not the correct pair. It is not a matching set of statements. All right. Now since we already know what 1 and 3 says, we'll see 1 and 4 now. We'll see statement 4. It says it is high time to healthcare policy. Now it says it's high time to healthcare policy. Now this is incorrect. It should be it's high time for healthcare policy to reimagine, right? So this is grammatically incorrect. So D and B cannot be the correct option because 4 is grammatically incorrect, right? So we'll move on to statement option C, 3 and 5. Now statement 3 we have read. Now 5 says in a country like India, healthcare policy should be based on an elderly prioritized approach at least for some decades, because such an approach could benefit all age groups, as the elderly are the people who require wide range of healthcare services. Here also it has been written that senior citizens require the most diverse array of healthcare services, and also next few decades has been mentioned here, and few decades have been mentioned here also. So yes, statement 5 means exactly what statement 3 says, right? So 3 and 5 are in fact the correct pair. Alright, so this is how we attempt these questions, friends. If you found this video informative, please like and share this video. And if you want us to make a video of some specific topic which you want to know tricks for, you can let us know in the comment section. And we'll try to share some really helpful and time-saving tips and tricks for those topics. Friends, as you all know that all the mocks at iExamB are absolutely free. So you must visit iexamb.com to practice more such new pattern questions. Also, if you need guidance for your upcoming SBI main examination, you can subscribe to our course where you get complete guidance and you learn more tricks and ways to solve all these high-level difficult questions. And you can contact us at this number to clear all your course-related queries.